I'm not a big lefty, but we'll try. You just gotta tell us when.
Tell us when.
High five hard.
Boom. Okay, now, what did we do yesterday?
I think we went off road.
We did.
We did.
We went adventuring.
Where
Yeah.
were we?
We did Peru Creek yesterday. It's like dunk. You're like, oh.
So he does have, he says like, well, there's bump stops built into my new spring system.
Sure, but
but I'm like,
progressive spring.
Yeah, but it would be kind of nice to when you do like bottom out your suspension. It will be nice to just have that like that end, just nice.
Yeah,
nice cush.
That would be nice.
This quaint little guy is mine. I feel like he's better for like.
Hello,
for being quick stabby.
I'm Crocodile John D.
This one's nice. I do like it.
Ooh, that cuts so well. Yeah.
We should start a HSN for knives that are not meant for their purpose.
I want to see how well my knife cuts. See how well mine cuts.
It actually is by K-Bar.
Yes, well, I said it was a K-Bar. Yeah, yours cuts easier. What the hell?
Here, I don't want this.
My knife, my piece of shit knife sucks. Garbage.
Give me my big 5 Bowie knife.
That is dear.
Staying low. I was purposely trying to stay as high as I could to make it look as sideways as possible.
I wanted to be as sideways as possible. So I did too.
I'm gonna try to drive as slow as possible.
Oh my God, you turtle! If everybody else is doing it, you gotta go.
checked out a bunch of sweet old mine ruins.
We did. Drove on some rocks, some gravel, some loose rock, some dirt.
Found some mud over here.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
There's
that abandoned whatever that was that we went over.
There's
right?
several abandoned
pretty big
things.
storm.
Yeah.
So what do we got here, John?
We got some abandoned buildings with large equipment, some kind of like milling equipment. Because I recognize that one brand, Ingersoll Rand. I know they specialize in engineering. They make product for oil and gas. I used to work in oil and gas for like 4 years. Looks like it's old though.
Yeah.
Probably from I would say like the early 1900s is my guess. It's massive.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that thing up there. Like in the building, in the wooden building to your left.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
It's like that thing they use to torch Wesley in Princess Bride.
Oh, sweet, more mining stuff. Dude.
Alright, this is the top, but we can definitely turn around.
Oh shoot! Oh. Should have came over here. Take refuge from the storm.
Thing on this thing's pretty solid.
Yeah, it does.
So day 2, we hit up Peru Creek. Peru Creek is a Forest Service area. There's not anything that's particularly difficult from a trailing perspective, but just have a lot of old mine ruins, and it made for just a kind of a great break in the trip from after running Kingston's Peak the day before, and then we were planning to do Bird's Eye Gulch and Mosquito Pass the next day. I wanted to break up the trip a little bit and just explore. We drove all the way back into these old mine ruins here and then realized that the road didn't actually really go anywhere, but that's half the fun. After we got down at the bottom of the hill, we made our way up, and we had found this wonderful meadow. There was a trail that went to the right of it that it looked like it dead-ended, but up on a big flat spot where maybe we could camp. So we thought we'll go ahead and drive up there and check it out. Turned out the closer we got, the steeper it got, and we were not able to make it up. Matt was the only one that got to the top of this section, and it turned out to be just mostly a little boulder field and would have been absolutely horrible for a campsite. But we all took a stab at trying to get up anyways. determining that was not going to be a good campsite, we went ahead and went down, and we had seen some shelf roads from the mine ruins at the bottom earlier in the day, and so we went ahead and turned around and went back out there to explore those. On the way out, we had this little creek crossing. Had a blast driving across it. Nothing super technical, but always fun to have a little scenic crossing on the trail. These shelf roads really didn't go anywhere, but they did provide some amazing views. I actually considered for a few minutes camping here, but decided that it was just too exposed and opted to make our way back down to a site we had passed earlier in the day. John and I hung back here and waited on the storm to pass a little bit before we checked out some of these additional ruins before making our way back up to camp. This site proved to be the great place to camp for the evening, and we were able to hang out here and get ready for the next day.
Yeah.
Is this a good talking cat? Is this?
I mean, it's reasonable. It makes no sense. It's fine. Yeah, did all those things. We fixed John's passport yesterday.
Not yesterday. It was the day before.
Well,
night before.
But we've confirmed that it's fixed.
Yeah, it's definitely fixed.
Yeah.
It's definitely fixed. It's performing great.
We did have to change some rotors.
That's true. We did rotors yesterday. I like how we both forgot that we did.
Yeah.
We changed.
That was a
brakes
big
on
part. Get the camera on my face.
I still need hopefully I can get a little more height.
Oh, dude, I'm sure you could, dude. That's a beastly.
I guess this is like the Bauer version of that Hercules one from Harbor Freight.
Okay.
So it's like 1,040 pounds or something.
A little, you want to mat or anything? Keep you off the asphalt?
Pads there.
Alright, this has been possible.
Oh, wait. Let's drop down to 12.
Is it the right size in the back? No, it's just I need to push. It's that lower bit. I need to pull the pin out. The actual. This little pin right here.
Yeah. Okay. What are we doing here? I feel like someone gave me the tool and it was like, here, good luck.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, have fun.
Figure
with
this
it.
out.
Okay. So those moved together actually. I pushed this one and then.
Yeah. So those, I mean, like what he's doing is fine.
and Javier needs a pen. Caliper bolt for you, sir.
Can someone do it? So
Yeah, yep.
My arms are double tired already.
Yeah, no, you're good.
It's like awkward.
Pardon me.
Oh, actually, I can do it now.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and get the.
A lot of people that go camping, they just want to like cook at camp. Sometimes I prioritize the adventure, and I have microwave powered by a 2,000 watt hour power station that outputs 2,400 watts. The reason why I put my paper plates in this dry bag is because when you're out trailing, you dust everywhere, and you don't want to dust your plate. You want to eat off the dust of the plate.
He also dry bags his shoes at night, which is genius.
True. So here we go. Got these Starbucks type of egg bites. This is actually by Kirkland, but it seems to be the same thing. Open these up here. Pop them down like that. Squeeze and squeeze. Place this inside. 1 minute. Boom. I gotta build out a whole little cabinet system here.
And what is better than egg bites with this view? My dear Lord.
Filet mignon.
No, what?
Yeah. Well, no, filet mignon in this view.
In this view, I would like the egg bites on top of the filet mignon.
Lobster mashed potatoes in this view.
Or lobster mac and cheese. Lobster mac and cheese kind of
Oh,
girl?
yeah, that's good.
I've been on a lot of camping trips, a lot of off-road trips. I've seen people with RVs that have microwaves. Never a microwave in.
We're almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Oh, enjoy.
Very much appreciated. Oh, no, you gotta have one too.
I got mine right here.
Oh man. Oh, Ian is in for a treat because now he's getting an egg bite
I am getting an egg bite.
in a minute.
I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but I'm told it's delicious.
Look at that Jurassic Park-esque background you've got.
We're in Hawaii, right? Filming in Hawaii.
This reminds me of the ending of Lost. We're already dead, everybody.